Mehmet. Hopefully that's correct. And what do we have here? Alright, the first item up for bid is Power Bug Guard installation instructions. So, as you probably already know, this is for the bug guard. Let me open this up and install it. Alright, I had to get the camera mount just so I can use both of my hands. When you look at this piece, you can see it's nice and flat on one side and it has indentations on the other. What you want to do is you want to hold the door because you don't want it to get all discombobulated. You want to come in here, stick it in here. I said hold the door and just run it up just like that. So you can see it's on there.